From relieving constipation to regular bowel movements, these juices are packed with nutrients and fiber to support a healthy gut. Whether you're looking to improve your overall digestive health or simply want to feel more regular, these juices are the perfect addition to your daily routine. Learn how to make them and start pooping naturally. Let's face it, digestion issues are super common. Whether it's constipation, diarrhea, bloating, or stomach pain, it's estimated that up to 70% of adults experience some kind of digestive problem. But the impact of these issues goes way beyond just uncomfortable symptoms. Poor digestion can lead to fatigue, skin problems, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Not to mention the emotional toll it takes on our confidence and overall well-being. It's no wonder that so many of us feel held back by our digestive health. When our digestion is off, it can affect every aspect of our lives. We might feel sluggish and unmotivated, struggle to focus, or experience mood swings. And let's not forget the emotional burden of feeling stuck in a never-ending cycle of discomfort and embarrassment. It's time to take control of our digestive health and start feeling like ourselves again. But before we get into the juices, we want to emphasize just how important it is to prioritize our digestive health. It's not just about feeling comfortable in our own skin. It's about taking care of our overall well-being. By making a few simple changes to our diet and incorporating these natural juices, we can start to experience the transformative power of optimal digestion. Let's talk about the first juice, pineapple. Fresh pineapple juice is best, so consider juicing a ripe pineapple at home to maximize its natural bromelain content. Pineapple is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce swelling in the digestive tract and promote healthy digestion. It's also packed with an enzyme called bromelain, which can help break down protein and aid in nutrient absorption. Next up is papaya juice. To make it at home, blend fresh papaya chunks with a bit of water and strain for a smooth, digestion-friendly drink, which is rich in an enzyme called papain that can help break down protein and aid in digestion. Then there's prune juice. You can buy this ready-made or simmer-dried prunes in water at home to create a natural laxative drink that can help stimulate bowel movements and promote regularity. Moving on to the next set of juices, we have grapefruit juice. Squeeze fresh grapefruits for a tart, hydrating juice that's loaded with water content to support digestion and promote healthy bowel movements. There's also ginger juice. Peel fresh ginger, blend it with water, and strain to create a concentrated juice you can mix with honey or lemon for a natural anti-inflammatory juice that can help reduce nausea and promote healthy digestion. Another one is aloe vera juice. Be sure to use fresh aloe vera gel, carefully avoiding the skin, and blend it with water to create a soothing laxative drink, which can help soothe the digestive tract and promote healthy gut bacteria. Then there's pear juice. Blend ripe pears with water for a high-fiber juice that's naturally sweet and supports bowel regularity, which is high in fiber and can promote healthy digestion. Let's add a few more incredible juices to your gut health arsenal. Next up, carrot juice. Juice fresh carrots for a vibrant drink that's naturally sweet and rich in digestion-friendly fiber. This vibrant juice isn't just great for your eyesight, it's a powerhouse for digestion too. Carrots are rich in soluble fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and improve gut health. Plus, their natural sweetness makes this juice a delicious addition to your day, especially if you're not a fan of bitter flavors. Coming up next, we have apple juice. Freshly juiced apples ensure you're getting the full benefits of pectin without added sugar, a classic fruit that never goes out of style. Apples provide a type of soluble fiber that acts like a prebiotic to feed your good gut bacteria. This can improve digestion and promote regularity. Let's not forget about beet juice. Blend or juice fresh beets for a naturally detoxifying and digestion-boosting drink. Beets are a hidden gem when it comes to digestive health. They're packed with nitrates and antioxidants that can help improve blood flow to your digestive organs, making the whole system run more smoothly. Plus, their natural laxative properties can help if you're feeling a little backed up. Beets' color is so vibrant, it'll make your juice lineup look Instagram-worthy. One of the most surprising benefits of these juices is that they can help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and it can be incredibly debilitating. By incorporating these natural juices into our diet, we can start to experience relief from symptoms like cramping, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. For example, did you know that cucumber juice can be made by blending it with water? It contains fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate bowel movements. But what really stood out to us was the incredible benefits of celery juice. Not only is it a natural anti-inflammatory, but it's also been shown to help reduce symptoms of IBS and promote healthy digestion. And the best part is that it's so easy to incorporate into our diet. Simply juicing one stalk of fresh celery daily can make a huge difference in our digestive health. In conclusion, these 12 natural juices can be a game changer for our digestive health. By incorporating them into our diet, we optimize digestion. Remember, it's all about taking small steps towards a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite juice or share your experiences with digestive health. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more health tips and tricks.